how to log into your KuCoin after forgetting password. The very first thing that you need to do is visit the KuCoin.com, or you can open the KuCoin application. Then from there you'll actually need to tap on the button login, and then after doing that you can get into the login page just like this. Once you get into the login page, all you need to do is simply add in all of the credentials of your account. First of all, add in email or your phone number, then you can add in the password and log in, right? So here you can even use the passkey. If you do not want to use the credentials, you can log in with your passkey too. But unfortunately, if you have forgotten your password, like I said, you can use passkey. But if you want to reset it, then you can tap on forgot password right here, and once you do that, you'll actually be able to get a link on your email or your phone number, and then from that link you can actually go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset the password. Once you've successfully reset the password following all of the given on-screen prompts, you can come back to your login page, add in your new password right here, then tap on login, and you'll successfully be able to log into your KuCoin after forgetting your password. So if you guys do have further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.